So I'm gonna go through everything that we supply in these bins here in your SUGI rental. First one is the clear bin, and this is more of your plates, bowls, utensils, cups. We have a few different cutting boards. We got some little pot holders because we do have some pots and pans in the other one. But this is mostly the gear that you're going to use to eat on or with. Okay, so that all goes in there. It's real handy. Next bin, this is our ant bin. So we call it. It's one of the bigger cooking tools. We do have a Coleman 2-burner propane stove that you can use. We also have a sink, and so the sink here, this is a collapsible sink that opens up. Ozzy boy, hey, stop. This sink opens up, okay, and you can wash your dishes on there with the hot water. Super handy. That collapses down. There's 2 of these in here. There's one here and one here. We use one for dry or to clean, one for dirty water. Also have another collapsible. This is a dry rack. Then a couple other things we have in here. We have a kettle, frying pan, some towels, soap, hand soap. We have this plugs right in. Here it's a water heater. This is super handy for making coffee and stuff in the morning. We do have an AeroPress too in the front. If you don't know how to use an AeroPress, I'll make sure to have a video on how the AeroPress works. We also have a rice cooker, and we have one pot with a strainer. That's all that's in the camp bin. Next bin is our utility bin. In here, if you want to bring that over here, you can look in here. We have some bungee cords. We have like this is a 5-in-1 tool for if you're stuck or something like that. Extension cord, fix a flat, jumper cables. There's also, excuse me buddy, leave that in there. Okay, other things for like utility stuff that we have through the bin. We do have a toolkit in top there, and then on the front side, I'll show you. We do have another like more advanced toolkit with like socket wrench and screwdriver and all that right here. Okay, so that's all handy when you do need it while you're out camping. One more thing I forgot, we do have an extra bin here, and it's the utensil bin. In here we got spatula, tongs, knives, measuring cups, whisk, funnel, all that gear. All this stuff is noted in the gear supply list, and it tells you which bin it's in as well. So that's all we got in terms of the bins and stuff that I want to show you in the back.